Hello and welcome to Trains and Viatic and a Not Saturday video. This video have kindly been supported by 4Gram Models. For 10% discounts, please go into the description at the bottom. This box, I don't know what's in it. It's been sent to me by 4Gram Models. They have sent me it. I have full editorial rights, so if they know if I don't like it, I'll say it. If I like it, I'll say it. And they have given me the 10% discount code for you, which will be in the description. So if the camera suddenly stopped, that's because there's sensitive data inside. So I'll go and open the box. And if you hear talking, I've got Mum just here as she wants to see what I got. First thing I'll say is it's very well packed. Lots of nice brown cardboard, and the box is 46 centimeters by 33 centimeters by 27 centimeters, so a big box. So very well packed, and let's see what we have been provided. Oh wow, I got to say thank you very much, 4Gram Models. You're absolutely amazing. So I've got a piece of paper, so I'll quickly pause for a second. Okay, I got to say I'm absolutely speechless here. I have got the delivery note, and absolutely amazing. 4Gram Models, you blew my mind. I was expecting one model, maybe two. So what do we have? We have one shed. We have two sheds. They are both the same model, so I need to check something, but could be quite interesting. Then we have a pack of walls. We have another pack of walls. We have another two sheds. We have some gravestones. This is absolutely amazing. I wasn't expecting this. So we have some platform ends. We have some more platform ends. So you've got single platforms and double platforms. These will go very nicely in for new station. So another double end. We've got a kissing gate. So just put that there. We've got another platform end and two more platform ends. We then have the model I requested, which is for the Green Park retail units, which look absolutely amazing. We have St. Michael's Church.
That's why you've got the gravestones.
Yep. We have got several platform middles. We have got over shelters. We have got single over shelters. We have got a station building. We have got St. Michael Collection. So this is absolutely amazing. I was not expecting this. 4Gram Models, you blow my mind. You're absolutely amazing. So this is absolutely amazing. I was not suspecting this ever. So what we're going to have is some live builds building these kits and giving my review. Like I said, the description is at the bottom to go and get your discount code. So let's pile this up and see all the amazing stuff. This is absolutely amazing. 4 gram models, thank you. So many bits. I was expecting to get 1 episode out of this. This is more than 1 episode. This is absolutely amazing. I'm looking forward to building this one in particular. That's going to go at the back over there, over for Helix, as I'm going to have a retail park there. This is absolutely amazing. So, description in the discount code in the description. This is absolutely amazing. For discount codes for 00 only, this is for 00 range. I quickly butt in on the end of the video. I opened this box a few days ago and I have now checked a few things. So, plan coming up. Not tomorrow, but for Wednesday afterwards, we're going to start having a Wednesday live streams whereby we build some of these models. Also, I'm looking at doing a giveaway whereabouts I'll be giving away some of these models. So that all should be really good. For discount code is for 4 gram model 00 range. And like I said, 4 gram models, I was not expecting this in a million years. So that's absolutely amazing. So what it will be is I'm going to do a question and people will just need to email me to go and get to enter the competition. So that will be announced, most probably will be a Easter competition. So I think that's about it. For models which are definitely getting used on my layout is for platforms, for shop, and maybe for station building. My brother-in-law have seen everything and he have claimed for church, but I'm going to make that all on video. Mum have said she's going to make some of the bits, so it should be quite fun. So like I said, we're going to be live on Wednesdays for next Wednesday, whereabouts we'll be building models, and just finish off with a real heartfelt thank you to 4 gram models. So if you like any of the models I've been given, visit their shop, use the discount code to go and get money off your purchase. And I'll see you all on Saturday. Saturday's video could be late because it's a Doncaster show and I'm going there on for Saturday, so there's possibility that I might end up running behind to get the edit done, but as soon as the video's done I'll put it up. And then, like I said, next Wednesday is going to be our first live stream. So thank you very much. See you all next time. Big thank you again to 4 gram. See you all next time. Thank you very much, Richard.